Hello and welcome to this special edition of All Angles. It's our much anticipated All Angles quiz, and this is our contribution to TVJ's celebration of 50 years of quiz. Now, we'll first have two matches with team members drawn from the RGR Gleaner Sports and News teams, and the winners will advance to the final later on tonight. Now, before that, I just want to let you know that we do have a special category that's been created just for All Angles. You'll find out what that is in a little while. It has our team members quaking in their boots. And speaking of our team members, let me ask both teams to introduce themselves, starting with Team Andrea Chisholm.
Okay, hi everyone, good night. My name is Andrea Chisholm, and all the good impressions that you had of us before this match, hang on to them.
All right, hello everyone, I'm Jordan Fort. I'm an Olympian by association, and so winning runs in my family.
Good evening, Jamaica. My name is Dwayne Anderson. In the future, when I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
Okay, and let's move on now to Team Milton Walker.
Yeah, Milton Walker, champion, 1987, Jamaica College.
Keon Rayner. When I grow up, I want to be a journalist.
Good evening, Jamaica. I am Jerome Foster. I went to the Manchester High School, and I'm a little bit disappointed I'm not in the West Indies World Cup squad. But for 2023, I'll be a part of the team for sure. Thank you.
Okay, there you have it. And in fact, it's now time for our first match. The rules are as follows. The first two matches have two sections only. The first section lasts for 4 minutes. Questions will be posed alternately. The teams will have 5 seconds to start answering the question and another 5 to complete the answer. If a team fails to attempt to answer in the 5 seconds given, the other team will be given a chance to answer. Each team must be given the same number of questions. Our judges tonight, we are so pleased to welcome to this studio once again the winning captain of the St. Jago Schools Challenge quiz team, Shanaira Lindsay, as well as runner-up Kingston College's captain, Lawarne Martin. And our timekeeper is Ron Powell. Due to time constraints, the judges' decisions will be final. We now have no appeal panel, and I am officially ousting the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court and Chief Justice Brian Sykes. So. All right, let's get started. And the first question goes to Team Chisholm. Bible knowledge. To which country did Mary and Joseph flee with baby Jesus to escape King Herod's order to have all newborns killed?
Bethlehem.
Bethlehem?
Incorrect. The correct answer is Egypt. Bible knowledge for Team Milton Walker. Which man served Laban 14 years in order to marry his daughter Rachel?
That would have to be none other than Mr. Esau.
Incorrect. The correct answer is Jacob. Not off to a very good start, but let's hope it gets better. Local affairs for Team Chisholm, stating his full rank, who is a Commissioner of Police in Jamaica.
Major General Anthony Anderson.
That is correct. And Team Walker, who did Major General Anthony Anderson replace as Commissioner of Police in 2018?
Dr. Carl Williams.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is George Coelho. General knowledge for Team Chisholm. What is the fourth highest national honor awarded by Jamaica?
Order of Merit.
That's correct. Team Walker, general knowledge. What is the most recent national honor to be created, having been brought into being in 2003?
It's the most honorable for prime ministers and former prime ministers.
That's incorrect. The answer is the Order of Excellence. Politics for Team Chisholm. What date did Prime Minister Andrew Holness first give as nomination day for the 2019 East Portland by-election?
March 25?
That's incorrect. The answer is March 8. Team Walker, what date would have been the East Portland by-election had Prime Minister Andrew Holness not adjusted the date?
March 25.
That's correct. Spanish for Team Chisholm. What subject in a Spanish school is Principios de Cuentas?
Principles of accounts.
That's correct. Spanish for Team Walker. What subject in a Spanish school is Educación Física?
Physical education.
That is correct. Math for Team Chisholm. In a standard pack of 52 playing cards, what would be the probability of drawing a spade?
4 to 1? 1 in 13.
1 in 13.
The correct answer is 1 in 4, or 25%. Math for Team Walker. If a coin is flipped 3 times and the first 2 results are both heads, what is the probability that the final flip will also yield heads?
1 to 3.
Incorrect. The correct answer is 50%. No matter how many times you flip it,
It's still 50%.
probability is always 50%. International affairs for Team Chisholm. Who is the Prime Minister of Grenada?
Dr. Keith Mitchell.
That is correct. International affairs for Team Walker. Who is the Prime Minister of the Bahamas?
Prime Minister of the Bahamas is Dr. Minnis.
Judges? Okay. We'll sort that out during the break. Sports for Team Chisholm. Which notable schoolgirl athlete won a bronze medal in the 1980 Moscow Summer Olympics?
Merlin Otti.
That is correct. Sports for Team Walker. Which country did Merlin Otti represent internationally from 2002 to 2012?
Slovenia.
That is correct. And that is the end of the first segment for our first match. Any queries? We will have the queries on screen.
We've noticed they haven't awarded the points which the judges gave us for the Bahamian Prime Minister.
We're catching up with that.
We're
No, but
challenging that.
we're challenging that.
What's
Yeah.
first name of the gentleman?
Dr.
Yes,
You are
what's,
the
his name?
judges?
What's his first name? Yes.
We're
playing
challenging
the
that.
card.
The
We're challenging
gentleman's
that,
first
judges.
name is
We
not
said Dr. Keith Mitchell.
Yes.
One at a time.
Can't be doctor.
So he needs a first name.
Okay, sorry,
Is this
that query is rejected. Another query in relation to the Prime Minister of the Bahamas, Team Walker, said Minnis. His full name is Hubert Minnis. Judges, can we accept the surname alone? Okay.
Good judges.
So, Team Walker, you do not get that point. Any other queries?
No more match questions.
The question them easy. Okay.
Whew.
We need the scores. The scores at the end of round 1 are Team Chisholm 5 and Team Walker 3. All right. Let's now move into the buzzer section. And we start with a question on Bible knowledge. The motto, "A city on a hill cannot be hidden," is adopted from which book in the Bible?
Yeah, lose points.
Time, the answer is Matthew. Category, Schools Challenge Quiz. Kingston College is Schools Challenge Quiz's winningest school. How many times have they? Team Walker?
11.
That is correct. And our special category, political math. What is the number of government senators minus the number of Jamaican prime ministers? Team Chisholm.
5.
That's incorrect. 13 government senators minus 9 Jamaican prime ministers. The answer is 4. Local affairs. What is the new name of the rural electrification program? Team Walker.
NESOL. It stands for National Energy Solutions Limited.
That is correct. Sports. Who is the current president of the Netball Jamaica? Team Walker.
Dr. Paula Daly Morris.
That's correct. General knowledge. With which political party in Jamaica would you associate the name Peter Townsend?
National Democratic Movement.
You did not wait to be acknowledged. I believe you're going to lose the points there.
This
Politics.
does not work.
The buzzers are working. If you're not fast enough, they won't come up. General politics, I beg your pardon. How many women are currently members of the Senate? Team Chisholm.
1, 2, that's 4, 5.
5, sure.
5.
That's correct. International affairs. Which company recently unveiled its mid-size electric SUV, the Model Y?
Why the time can't go yet?
We don't know. They can't just make that go on.
Past that.
We don't know.
Time. Sports. The Reggae Girls beat Panama to qualify for the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup. What was the penalty shootout score? Team Chisholm.
6-5.
Incorrect. 4-2. Political math. Add the number of constituencies in St. Catherine to the number of constituencies in Portland. Team Walker.
That would have to be 2 in Portland and 11 in St. Catherine will give you 13.
That's correct. Foreign language. Which article in Spain is El Periódico? Team Chisholm.
Newspaper.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. In what year was there an
Yes.
Oh, man.
Cannot finish that question. We're at the end of the second and final segment. Any
Man.
and the 6 is
But we were at 3 at the start, so we could
We got 9, sir.
judges. Who has 6? Who has 6? Team Walker.
Good.
Okay, so Team Walker. Any final chance? Okay, Team Walker is the winner of the first match. So we go to the break. When we come back, it will be Team Madden and Team Hendrick. Stay tuned.